Hello, my name is Junadi Laurus, and today I want to demonstrate UiPath Agentic orchestration capability for processing work orders in a mining context. While this may seem like an industry-specific use case at first, work order processing is a universal challenge across manufacturing, transportation, utilities, and even healthcare. Let's take a look at the agentic orchestration workflow for this process. It's quite a straightforward process with a number of agents working together and in parallel. Specifically, there are 6 agents in total. It's designed to be small enough to focus on specific goal in mind. When we kick this off, the first agent picks up the job of analyzing the work order emails from the mailbox. It tries to figure out 4 things from the email: the type of skill and roles required to carry out the repair job, what tools and parts are required, as well as site-specific safety requirements. These are then passed to each of the 4 agents running in parallel to perform their own tasks. Now, while this is running, let's take a look at our personal allocation agent in more details in Agent Builder. An agent is made of a few components. It's got its foundational model, a name, and general description. It has system and user prompts, which most of us are familiar with. They describe the agent's roles and responsibilities and its objective. Then there are tools, which define what actions an agent can take. This is quite powerful. Here I've provided 2. One is to find a list of available workers, and another to get the mining locations. During the execution, the agent will plan and use these tools at its disposal to try and meet its goals. Having access to tools is one of UiPath agent's key differentiator. This enables the agent to be able to do more instead of just think. So, what are the available tools? We can use activities from our integration service connectors, typically via an API. We can also access a list of automation that has been built by your organizations and published into Orchestrator. And finally, you can also use other agents as tools. Next, we have context, which is what grounded an agent with a knowledge base. Without it, an agent is just a large language model. This is quite important. Finally, we have an escalation option via an app, which an agent can leverage when it cannot achieve its goal or when it needs human assistance. Now let's run this agent with example input to see it in action. The agent has recommended Lucas as the maintenance supervisor because of this reason. Let's get back to our agentic orchestration to see the end-to-end automation. The workflow is completed successfully here. You can see when all the 4 agents has completed their tasks, the output is being formatted into a human and readable output by our response agent. If required, we can get a person to review the email before it replies to the initial work order email. So, to recap, all the agents are task-oriented and modular, which promotes reusability. And think of a slight tweak to our personal agent, and we can use it to find appropriate shift casual worker in a completely different industry. In healthcare, for example, an urgent medical equipment that needs to ship immediately can also rely on variations of our tool agent. And here we can see the final response email. The list of people required has been highlighted, including when they can be available on site. The tools and parts that are missing has been highlighted, including those that require shipping and order from our supplier. And finally, all the safety requirements included. Thank you.